Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit on 22bet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar type in 22bet.com. Once you type it in, press enter, then it will take you to this web page. Now on this web page, you will have to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this registration button. And after creating your account, click on this login button. Now you will have to enter your login credentials in these boxes. Then click on login. Once you are logged into your account, on the top bar, you will see this deposit button. Click on it, then you'll have to choose your payment method. You can use any one that you like. I'll just click on bank transfer. Then you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your bank detail. And once you have entered your bank detail, click on this confirm button. Once you have done so, the amount will be deposited into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.